Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make radicchio salad updated. Rinse and dry radicchio, then slice it into bite-sized pieces for crispness. Chop a shallot, toast walnuts, and shave Parmesan thinly. Whisk a bright dressing with lemon, olive oil, Dijon, salt, and pepper. Toss gently to avoid bruising the leaves. Taste and balance acidity with a pinch of sugar or honey if needed. Warm hello, let me walk you through a simple dressing that lifts radicchio without overpowering it. Combine lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper in a jar and shake until emulsified. Taste and add a touch of honey if the radicchio feels too bitter. If you like nuttiness, stir in a little toasted walnut oil or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan for depth and harmony. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing cooking timers, upbeat music, and hands-free grocery lists while you prep. I use it to call out timers and step reminders so I don't overdress salads. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Let's make this salad sing by layering textures and flavors thoughtfully. Add toasted walnuts or hazelnuts for crunch, thinly shaved Parmesan for creaminess, and segments of orange or ripe pear for sweet contrast. Lightly toss these additions with the dressed radicchio to avoid wilting. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper and a pinch of flaky salt, then serve immediately for the best texture and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.